Hi everyone, Steffi Fernandez here, and in today's video we're going to create a stunning spring floral design using Sharpies. Now this look will resemble a little bit of watercolor, but we're not going to be using watercolor, of course. We are going to disperse the Sharpie ink with alcohol. It's beginner friendly, it's a lot of fun, and it's quite quick, and it looks hard and very intricate when you're done, but honestly it is one of the easiest way of creating the most pretty flower on a nail. I hope you enjoy this tutorial, guys. Let's get cracking. As you guys all know, I like to prep my nail before I start, so I buff the surface, remove the shine, and I'm going in with white gloss by Glitterbels and applying 2 layers of this gorgeous white. Once both layers are cured, I'm using a velvet top coat, a matte top coat, just to help the ink of the Sharpie to stick better to the nail. To form the center of each flower, I'm going to be painting a few dots using Banana Smash by Glitterbels. I'm going to be painting them at the top left corner of the nail and some at the bottom right side of the nail. Using black, I'm going to surround this group of dots with 8 tiny lines that will mark up where the petals are going to go. When painting these lines, make sure you apply the tiniest pressure and have a little to no product on your brush. For a little bit more detail, I'm going back in with my brush and just adding a few more dots at the center of the flowers. Using a Sharpie, I'm going to add a large dot at the end of each line we just painted. Don't worry if your dots are not symmetrical, we are going to disperse the ink shortly anyway. For the next step, you'll need a watercolor brush or universal brush. I'm using the artistic brush by Mino Vo. Make sure you get your alcohol ready too and fill up that whale to dip in the brush. With your damp brush, make sure you start lightly pressing on the dots we painted earlier with the Sharpie ink. Move your ink around and try and form a shape of a petal. Honestly guys, do not be afraid to experiment with the amount of pressure you apply. You can always wipe it with alcohol and try again. Notice how on some of the dots I press fully and some of the dots I leave the inner corner of the petal a bit darker. It just makes the flower look a lot more interesting. To add a little bit more highlight, I'm going in just with alcohol and applying a little bit of pressure at the center of each petal to lighten up the midsection. To complete the nail, I'm just going to paint a few tiny leaves. Notice how I'm not filling them in, I'm just outlining them. Once I'm happy with the placement of the leaves, I'm going to flash cure this and then go in with my favorite top coat from Glitterbels and apply a nice thin layer to seal in all of this goodness. And this is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. All the products that I've used on this video will be listed down below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so, and don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Again, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to turn on that notification bell, and I will see you all on the next one. Take care.